Alright, game face on.
Alright, so for this one, let's try going Vikings, which is like the little room to the left.
Heard.
You guys go there, and then I'll scout. And once you're in Vikings, just don't show yourselves, and I'll let you know then. Yeah, go Vikings.
Is that which lies within.
I'm wasting their Matrix, so fire strike them. And okay, so once you're in Vikings, once you're in Vikings, just get out, like speed. As soon as you get to the corner, go for a point on the left side. Just straight,
Right.
like straight go
And
to
they're
point.
just right up there. All right.
Yeah, I know. You guys ready?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1, go.
Go. Speeding now, speeding.
Oh, they're not paying attention to you guys.
No ally bubble.
Right.
No personal bubble.
Run.
Run.
Diva.
If it discorded.
Diva, breathe. Nice, Zen on me, guys. Guys, Zen.
Sorry, we're.
I got you. I'm sorry.
Good. That was a great push.
Oh, the
Sorry.
Get this Zara. Nice. Super staggered.
Yeah, well,
Right. Leave payload. We push. We clear them. We clear the saggers.
Okay.
Keep running up. Back up.
I can rally to this shit.
Yeah.
Do you have shatter? Do you have shatter?
We can go.
A shatter.
Okay.
Run.
Run now. Break.
Baby on
I'm
right side.
carrying payload, so watch out.
Baby on right side.
That's big.
You can stagger.
Yeah.
There's Zarya's left side.
No, keep
Alright.
pushing a little bit. Keep pushing. Just stay like under the first bridge.
Yeah. If shit gets really crazy, I can trance over there.
Alright.
You can go actually. I'll stay on
Oh,
payload.
perfect.
Ryan, you're too far.
Okay.
Yeah, we're going to you, Ryan.
Back up.
Not figure out.
Break sides late. Breaks alone.
Breaks the low. Yeah, she's low.
I don't know. Maybe she just.
Nice. That's fine.
I have beat. I saw a beat here.
Yeah, beat. Break.
Break.
Nice.
Run.
I'm one. No shield.
Back up or die.
They wasted that shatter. I have shatter again, by the way.
Yeah, that's fine. You're gonna stagger me? Unless I'll kill their Zen!
Savage.
They're one down, so we have almost shatter bomb here.
They don't have mech.
Yeah. Don't feed her. Don't feed the baby. Just play in the corner until we're all there. And that speed to point. Go.
Speeding.
Get the mech.
Boosting now. Boosting.
Alright, 3,
Right
2,
now,
1,
ally,
break
right now,
breaker. Big. Hey, do you shatter? Okay. Back up, no!
Oh, we're too far. You good?
Nice, okay. Charge shatter.
I'm almost at another shatter. Yeah.
Alright.
Speeding.
Yeah, I have another shatter.
I'm gonna bomb. Let them
I'm sorry,
contest.
discord.
No, wait. Play close. Play on point. So when they contest, I'm gonna throw a bomb and you're gonna shatter when the Ryan turns around.
Diva.
No, I fucked up, dude. I killed someone. What the?
Healing
fuck?
on point.
Ryan, discord.
Try to get that Ryan. Nice. We can fight. We can get break. We can't fight. Back up. All right, so
I have rally to initiate.
you gotta wait the shatter like after I throw the bomb correctly. If not, then don't use it.
I was trying to counter shatter.
If they're
them after
throwing
the
too
grab.
many ults at us and the fight has already been lost, we can't use any ults, okay? So we can engage with rally here as soon as we cross the corner. Come with me, come with me. Let's go left side. Straight to point, straight to point, straight to point. They're playing high ground, so watch it.
Nope, they
Right.
went down.
Get
Rally, rally, rally.
Diva, Diva, Diva. Nice, nice, nice.
Get away from there.
Run.
Ryan's down.
Beating here.
Sorry. Yep.
Nice, that's fine, that's fine. Play on point, play on point, play on point. Can we
I'm
beat?
blocking it.
We beat.
I'm blocking it.
I'm on break. I'm on break. Break.
Baby,
Break one.
come back.
Break one.
Break, 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 Ryan, break, Ryan, break.
No ally bubble. Healing.
Can you grab Trev? Nice.
Ow.
Big. Get that Zarya, break. They need to die fast. Come on. No, you need to stop charging. You need to stop charging. That makes you a lot like really vulnerable. So try not to charge. We have combo here. We have Diva Bomb here.
Having our rally for next fight to initiate.
Right. Alright, so what's the problem? We're not burning targets fast enough.
I don't think we're focusing the right target.
Take on top. Take top. The Ryan needs to die fast, or the Zarya needs to die fast. The Brick is also alive for a lot of time.
Try to focus as area.
Hold on, guys. Hold on. Support's in the back.
Wait.
Wait.
They're playing
Right
point.
here.
Just Ryan's alone. Okay,
Rally?
never mind. Not anymore.
Ryan, this sword.
Oh, bubble Ryan. Charge shatter. Play safe until just play
David
for
is fine.
shatter.
Diva.
Ryan, this sword.
Ryan.
Ryan. Back up. Nice. Huge pick.
Wait. We can.
Big bubble.
Ryan
Push
just
card
scored.
while we're doing
I'm pushing.
this.
I'm pushing.
Sorry,
I need
sorry,
healing, I need healing.
Trans. Nice. Get
I'm on
Diva.
Diva. I'm on Diva.
Nice.
I can beat after.
Nice. Shatter.
Beating. Zarya right by yourself.
Sorry, right side.
Sorry.
Did you see the scored?
Get this Zen. Nice.
Zen's
Get this
down.
Lucio.
Diva.
Baby Diva.
Nice.
There we go.
Can leave point.
Having our rally to initiate.
Stay here.
They have some bad spawns. They had.
Yeah, we didn't think about that earlier. Try to poke.
No.
Back up in the
personal.
corner.
Speeding up.
Corner.
Ryan
Hey,
just
rally.
scored.
Die. Just throw yourself off the map. If you're still alive.
I'm running back, Beller.
Zen somehow
I should
made
be
it
able to
out
get grab up.
Yeah. Wait for grab. Don't just throw it. Let's try to get that grab Diva bomb. Wait. Ryan, come back. Let's go inside.
Okay.
I can have transfer next fight.
All right. Speed. 3, 2, 1. Go.
Speeding.
Ryan.
See him.
Ryan.
No ally. Help out. Ryan.
Back up. Back
personal.
up. Play point. Don't leave point.
I have trans.
Ready for grab, ready for grab.
She has no
Grab,
bubbles.
just
It's going down soon.
Nice. Nice.
Oh,
Nice.
nice. Big.
I can beat after.
Beat.
Oh my god. Oh.
Sorry, this scored.
Fuck.
So we need to I'll just write that down. I think the Alliance should have that written down, but ábreme Whisper ahí pues, dile. Que no puedo ahorita. Ábreme Whisper, please.
Voy.
Welcome to Blizzard. Prepare to attack. Select your hero.
We're on attack again.
Guess so. Time to pop off.
Yeah. Alright, now we're doing our Hammond 5 DPS strat.
Oh yeah.
Oh, lol.
Don't worry, I get a pick or a switch. but I never switch.
The true enemy of humanity is disorder. Turret in place.
There we go.
What do you want for defense?
Attackers incoming in 30
Goats, basically.
Maybe like let's. Do you guys want to do 2-2-2 with like maybe a Mei, or you guys want to do like 2 tanks, 3 healers, 1 DPS? We lose the.
I don't care.
We get a Hanzo.
Oh, are we actually doing it? All right.
I can play
Yeah.
Hanzo. Or and you got it? Okay.
Unless I'll play soldier if you want Hanzo.
Let's get a Brig. Or sorry, let's get Lucio.
Oh shit, I'm already way too far.
Oh, bro, what am I even choosing here?
Oh, no.
So
No,
confused.
no. So we're doing Ryan. The
Are we-
only thing that's changing, Fitz should
I
be
saw
playing
Hammond,
Hanzo.
so I thought we were doing the.
No.
4
Fitz should be playing Hanzo.
I'm not Zarya anymore, so. what am
Okay,
I
that's fine.
choosing,
That's
Diva?
fine. Let's play like this. That's fine.
Hey, we took so long. They got.
Yeah, that was kind of uncommunicated there.
Dante.
Lucio discorded. He's anti too.
D.Va on mech.
I'm reloading. Can't see you. Okay. We can touch.
Nah.
Back
Get
up.
Zarya.
It's just you pushed up. D.Va on mech. I have dragon.
We want to hold this corner.
Wait. They're gonna stun you.
I got trans.
Wait. Don't fight. Don't. He needs to fight
no,
with
I
you.
won't.
You don't need to fight with him.
Reloading.
Should discord.
Back up.
Break discorded.
Can get you, Rob.
Shield up. Back up.
have no
Here.
barrier?
In the room.
D.Va almost on
Go back
mech.
yourself in the room.
D.Va on mech.
Yeah.
Just Ryan. Yeah, Dragon? Oh, he's dead. Okay. Zarya.
Break behind.
I'm dead. I'm coming back now.
Is Zarya? Nice.
Lucio discord. This one.
Ed, can you play here? Just play here. I'm gonna grab as soon as they come out the corner, okay?
Yep. I'll be right here.
1 minute.
Remember,
That-
so
Be careful. We don't have anything for the grab.
I know. Keep back up. I'm gonna use. Let's use this corner. Here.
Alright, discorded. Why not? Sorry, discorded.
D.Va left.
She ate it again, dude. Nice. Fight.
Reloading.
Oh no.
I tried.
All right. I kind of fucked up there. Do you diva bomb, Trevor?
Yeah.
Let's switch back. Let's just go. Or no, actually, just keep this. Do you do Moira instead of Ana? Oh no, we have Nano. Never mind. Don't switch. This guy's shatter.
He's had shatter. He hasn't used it once.
Brick.
Breaks half.
Break.
I got chance, I got chance.
Back up.
Brick's
I can
down.
throw an anti.
Wait. You can't push. You can't push like that. You kill Brig, then you shield up. Because they're not gonna contest without Brig. Just stay in this corner. Stay behind this corner. Lift this. Always play the
Reloading,
corner. Alright, start pushing. Bubble him.
I'm one.
Nice. Get this
Ryan,
Ryan.
Ryan.
Break, nice. Ryan. Nice move. This Ryan.
Got you. Fuck.
Why is there Ryan not dying? Guys? Come on.
Sorry, discorded.
Zarya needs to die. She charged. Nice. The Ryan needs to die. We're calling out Ryan. Forget about anyone else. Just kill the Ryan. They're coming around. They're coming around. Back up, back up, back up, back up. Play this corner.
We still have no Zen, no Zen.
Back up, 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 back up. We need to give him the corner because we're incomplete.
Runner discorded.
Ryan's one.
Reloading,
Breaks
reloading.
Diva discorded.
Below. Half.
Lucio discorded.
Zarya,
Zarya,
Zarya's
Zarya,
one.
Zarya.
Zarya, 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 Zarya. Nice. Stay there, stay there.
I need
Stay there,
heals.
stay there, stay there, stay there.
Lucio left.
Let's do the left side.
He fell.
That's fine. Don't chase him. Yeah, don't chase him because he's probably gonna try like trick you and boop you.
Where Lucio? I got trance.
That's
We
fine.
can grab dragon
Sure.
if you want.
Get back in.
Alright, I have it.
Back up. Play point. Play point. Play point. He's gonna shatter.
Grab,
He's gonna
grab.
shatter. Nice. Nice.
Break slap, break slap.
Get this break. Get this break. Get this break. Get this break. Get this break.
No heals, no heals.
Oh. That was Drake.
I'm gonna come back as May.
My team still needs me.
No, dude. Contest. 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 No, dude.
Lucio's one.
No. Oh, dude, I see 9.
Score.
That was pretty bad from the start, just because we took so long to fix.
Yeah, we just got snowballed to hell, dude.